Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. So Etsy asking you to verify your identity. To keep your shop active on Etsy, you may need to confirm your identity for security and payments. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go through how to verify your identity on Etsy in 2026. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So what we want is to access our shop in Shop Manager. It doesn't really matter if you are using an app like on Android, on iOS, or even if you are using the website, it's totally fine. So I'm just gonna go to Etsy.com. I'm gonna go through this website, log in to my account or my shop account. I'm gonna go and tap on Shop Manager. Then I'm gonna go and look for finances, select payment settings, and if verification is required, you will see a prompt like upload a valid government ID or take a clear photo if asked. You should then submit and wait for confirmation. So verification usually takes a few minutes to a couple of days. As for like a bonus tips, make sure your name matches your bank account. It's totally a must, since when they are doing like this verification, they may verify your account. They may verify your bank account as well, so make sure the name matches your bank account. Use good lighting for ID photos and don't crop out edges of your document. And that's it. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.